Hey everyone, this is Saram Rai from Designy, and today we are going to explore how to set up the Realestate CRM Google Sheet template designed by Designy. So to do so, go to the Etsy store and purchase the Realestate CRM template. You can find the link below in the descriptions, and if you have already purchased, so then we can go forward to this step. After purchasing, you'll receive a PDF with copy link and a detailed guide on how to set up the template, complete with screenshot. Now download the PDF. After downloading, go to File Managers and Downloads. Over there, you can see the Realestate CRM Google Sheet template PDF. Double click on it, and now, as you can see, just click on Start Copy Now for now, and you can also see the guide, all detailed guide below in the page. You can go through that too. Now click on Start Copy Now. After clicking the link, this will take you to the Realestate template file, Google Sheet file, and if you have opened it from the Microsoft Edge, and if you are not logged in, then just click on Sign In and just choose your account and just sign in from there. For now, we'll copy the link. URL, just copy and paste it through the Google Chrome. So we'll do ctrl plus V and hit enter. Let it load for a moment. Now click on Files. Now click on Make a Copy and give it a name that you like and click on Make a Copy. Now at the present you can see numbers, but in your case you will not see any numbers. You'll just see 0000, and that's okay. Now as the sheet opens, now copy the above link, sheet link, do ctrl plus C and send this link to us through HC message plus the purchase ID or the purchase screenshot, and wait for some moment such that we can check and create the license key for you. It may take some time, so till that, do not continue anything. After you receive the license, now what you need to do is press on license and press on run setup wizard, and it will ask for authorization. Place OK, press on advance, and now go to Realestate on save. Okay, here, over here, down one. Now press on continue. Now press on select all and scroll down and press continue. Hold for a moment. Now enter the license that we have provided to you, paste it over here and enter your purchase email and press on run. Now you'll see a new pop-up. Press OK. It will take some time, so please wait patiently till then. And now you'll get a new pop-up saying setup complete. Open your widget form. So what you need to do is press on open your widget form. Just click on over there, and now after your form gets open, click on these three dots and then this app script. Wait for some moment for it to load. Okay, after that, come over to your right, and over here you can see this clock icon. Here is it. Here is it. So here is trigger. So press on it, triggers, and now scroll down, and now click on add triggers. Now you need to do whatever I do. Okay, let this be on open form submit, head from forms, and now over here click once and select this one on form submit. Now click save, and please wait for a few seconds till it loads. Okay, at first you might get this kind of error, okay, because pop-up is blocker may be enabled. So don't do anything, just click once more time over save. This will give a pop-up, so it's similar to the previous time. So click over here, select your selected account, select the same account if possible, and now click on advanced. Now again on go to untitled project unsafe over there, just click once and now scroll down and place allow, click on allow. Okay, wait for a moment for trigger to be created. Okay, now you can see trigger has been created. Go to your this top bar and select this widget form bar, click over there. Now click on publish. Now again click on publish and wait for a moment. Okay, it has been published. Okay, so now go back to your this copied one and click on close. Okay, now your real estate template has been created. Just wants to refresh. Now your sheet is ready to get used. Okay, now after everything is done, now what we can do is we can add a shortcut tab, okay, to our home screen. So to do so, just press over this three icons, three dots in your right top, just press over there and now click on this save and share. Now click on create shortcut. Now add the name whatever you like, you prefer. Okay, so let's say for now it's real estate. Now click on create. After you do that, now you'll see this kind of icon over here in the home page. Just double click it and now select your real estate template that you have given name, and here you are on your real estate template. Thank you so much for watching. For more updates you can check our YouTube channel, or you can even check our you can directly message us through Etsy. Thank you very much for your purchase.